Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir.
Sir, elevator. Okay, thank you.
大家好，今天我将引领一条名为 Warramp 的船舶离港。本船载重吨25万吨，是一艘大型矿砂船。
Oh,
Hello, Mr. Pilot.
good afternoon.
Now engine is ready.
Okay,
And now stand by forward to pick up that line.
yeah. Okay. Me fast 2 tugs.
2 tugs.
Yes. Forecast deck and port quarter.
Okay. Okay, shipmate, pick up that line. Port bow, port button. Please forward, start picking up that. Okay, forward.
登船后查看饮水卡和船舶资料，再向交管汇报申请离泊。
What line first to go? Headline? Master line?
Yeah. Headline, breast line, spring line.
Spring line.
Yeah.
Same up.
Yeah. 绕交管饮水。
是，请讲。
交管您好，涡轮部准备离东11泊位，下一港需澳大利亚，向你报告。
好的，涡轮部饮水收到，再会。
好嘞，交管再会。
Back line, take back forward there. Port bow. Forward,
New Zealand,
okay. First line to let go.
好29
All headlines.
饮水2节船头栏带好。
First line.
好，27，4拖轮都慢车顶。
Okay, now first stand by, forward it up.
Okay, let go all headlines and all sterns.
Okay. Let go all headlines. Let go all last line.
本船总船长330米，行宽57米，行深25米。头缆和尾缆清爽之后，船长告诉我，船头的横缆被前船的缆绳压住了。
东11调度饮水。
哎，讲饮水。
那个船横缆是不是压住了？
哎，松了，这边已经松了，我们再解了饮水。
好嘞，好。The forward ship is selecting the line now.
Okay, yeah. Rest line on board, forward.
Okay, let go everything from aft.
Okay. Second mate, let's go through line.
2729停车松缆。
27松缆。29松缆。
Okay, now clear. All
Okay,
lines on board, forward. All lines on board, forward.
okay. 2729慢车道。
27慢道。29慢道。
1518停车右船头。
Okay, keep clear, go up profile.
2729加车。
27加车。29加车。
If we're turn like this,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, turn to port. ~29停车收缆。
29收缆。
18各位。
好了，18快车顶吧。
18快顶。 29上来了。
好的，29快车顶。
29快顶。
船尾与码头的距离不宽裕，向前动一车马上停掉。大船在拖轮的作用力下，前冲速度越来越大。这种情况还是要提前倒车， 控制本船的前冲趋势。
Dead slow astern.
Dead slow astern. Engine dead slow astern.
OK. Slow astern.
Slow astern.
浮筒在左船头附近，需注意船头到浮筒的距离。船头与浮筒的距离控制在80米左右，前后的拖轮就可以解掉并停车。大船进车出港。
2729停止解缆。
27进来。29进来。
Captain let go the tug fore and aft.
右后的29缆。
Dead slow ahead.
Dead slow ahead. Second right, let's go top line out.
158停车。
调图完毕，联系下一条要引领的进港船。
Universal RMC at here pilot recording.
Pilot RMC is there. Go ahead.
Yeah, pilot boarding time 1530 local time. And read the pilot ladder starboard side 4 meters above water.
Starboard side 4 meters, sir. 4 meters.
Yes, correct. 4 meters above water.
Sir, starboard side 4 meters. May I know what is boarding speed?
Pilot boarding speed 6 knots.
Okay, sir. Copy 6 knots. Pilot boarding speed. Thank you.
Okay, see you.
本期视频给广大粉丝朋友们解答一下关于拖轮使用数量的问题。外轮靠离或移泊使用的拖轮数量，并不是饮水和船方能决定的。那么使用数量的依据是什么呢？是港口行政管理和海事相关部门根据港口法、港口经营管理规定、船舶引航管理规定、海港总体设计规范等法规文件，结合当地港口实际情况制定，经省交通运输厅审核后发布。自引自靠的船舶没有强制规定，可自行决定拖轮数量。
Okay, we can start. Okay, thank you. Go ahead. Go on. Salaman.
这就是与引航工作密切相关的港座拖轮，也叫海上店小二。虽然跟大船比起来不起眼，但船长也将近40米。拖轮的功率一般在5000到7000马力之间。离船之后，我还要引领一条外轮进港。本船的引航过程就记录到这儿，我们下期再见。